Guys, Biggs23 here, and welcome to the
Here, I invited you.
to the April 2016 Race to the
Duel.
Silver Play Button Duels.
Yep. Okay. Are you gonna accept?
Yes, I will. And how many subscribers do you have?
Same 5.
5, and I have 5. So it's kind of turned to 2 to 5 for me, and he has none.
I'm starting to do daily videos.
What
Okay.
the?
Ready?
Yeah, since the summer.
No, not since the summer.
Since it's summer.
I mean, sure, but this is a new map. Hey, Alexander. Ooh. Cha la 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 la. Cha la 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 la. You have to commentate.
Hello. Hello, 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 hello. You know, I used to work at a gas station before. Gas stations are fun.
You need to work there. Oh crap! I think I'm having some internet lag because I'm uploading 4 videos.
Yep, that's why. What the frick? And I always lose these ones. You are having some lag.
Me?
You can see. Yep.
I'm not lagging on my own screen. But oh well. The video should be done soon anyways. So.
What health are you at? Darn it, you're regenning. Cannot let you do that.
Hit!
Darn it.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh, my speed's up. Oh.
Should have posted.
Oh, oh, oh.
I don't know why I'm so bad at PvP here.
Ooh, ooh, the combos. Ooh, 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 tra-la-la-la. This duel always lasts really long.
I know, we do like, we're probably gonna do like 5 duels, because it's just
It's a 2 out of 3, 2 out of 3.
2 out of 3 duels.
Yeah, whoever wins.
I'm not gonna win. Oh, darn it, you potted. Oh yeah, I'm starting to get hungry.
Ooh, 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 combos, 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 combos. Combos, the
win.
combos! What?
You're gonna win.
You almost killed yourself.
Oh, god darn it.
No! You even have sprint?
I'm sprinting.
No, but like the speed potion?
Yeah, I have it on. I'm trying to get pots. I don't have pots in my inventory.
Oh, you're so close!
If I try to get pots out, then I'll die.
You know you have an EnderPro.
Oh right, I forgot. Thanks.
I missed! How did I miss? Crap, crap, crap.
Darn it, you potted. Oh, oh no. No, no,
Oh
no,
no!
no, 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 no. Where are you? There you are.
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
Are we for some reason?
Freaking no.
No! Oh, why? Oh, crap. I got up on... Why did you even jump off? You could have just stayed up there forever. Good job eating at the right time. You should have enderpearled away. To eat. Oh, crap. I enderpearled.
How many things do you have left?
I'm not going to tell you.
Seconds.
Wait, why can't we hit each other?
Yeah, that was weird for 1 second. Come on. You know you have to die. You know you want to die. You know you want to.
Alexander! Okay, that one was close.
Both of us.
I had like 4 hearts left.
I had 3.
Wait, why are you lacking crap?
Why are you? Why are you making these hits on me? I'm not. I'm. What
You were
the frick?
lacking. You were lacking.
Sprint.
Shifting. I gave you a little bit of mercy there when you were shifting. Why can't... This is... lag is really weird.
Because you have those videos posting.
Yeah, but normally we don't have lag even if I... Alexander, you know you're dead, right?
I know I am. It's worth making a try.
Crap, no.
No, 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 no.
Did I just heal you? I probably just healed
Yeah,
you.
you did. Thanks.
Why can't I get any hits off? Okay, why? Ooh.
No!
I won with 3.5 hearts left.
Oh.
That was good. That was a good
Eh,
game. Good game.
it wasn't really.
Shake.
It's horrible.
Shake, Alexander. Shake! Shake! Other hand. Okay, whatever. I'm
Freaking, I lost my bow.
Oh.
I freaking dropped it accidentally when I tried to press W. I
My.
pressed Q. So yay.
Doesn't matter. I invited you. Okay, guys. Well,
Okay.
match or
alright.
2.
For another new.
It could be 3 more matches. Or 2 more matches. If you win this one and then I lose, or
It could be 3 more matches.
Yep. Oh, I thought you didn't know that I was behind you. We hit each other.
What the heck?
See, I taught you well. I taught you how to go in circles. Ah, stop going in circles.
Well,
I hate circles.
the master learns from its. I don't know what you call it.
It's apprentice.
No.
The apprentice learns from its master. Is that what you meant to say?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Guys, I used to beat him. I
Hate
used
each
to
other.
beat him in like 2 seconds. Why are you fighting with an ender pearl?
I'm not trying to ender pearl.
No, but you were fighting with an ender. Woo!
I knew you were behind me the whole time.
I wasn't behind you the whole time. I ender pearled. Now,
No, I heard the ender pearl, and then I'm just like, okay, you're
the
behind
thing
me.
is now I have to try and break your armor if you're gonna survive. I can't hit you.
I get it, you.
Oh, crap, my keyboard, it moved! It moved on me! It's magical! Oh, okay, my armor's good. Why did I just pot? I just wasted a whole pot. Oh, I don't have speed.
What the frick? What happened to all my pots?
Maybe lag happened.
Yeah, I think it did. No! I can't hit you for some reason.
Combos. Combos. Can I win it right here? Right here. Right now. Win it. Win it. Win it. Win it. Win it.
Why am I not sprinting?
Okay.
I just like...
Maybe you don't have speed? Maybe your swiftness pot ran out. Just saying, Alexander, don't cry if you lose, okay?
I know I can.
I'm
You always win, so...
I'm the master.
Oh my god, yes.
Just remember.
I had one heart.
Remember, you
You had me.
Remember, you are the apprentice. I am the master. What type of EnderPro was that?
I'm trying to get a good EnderPro. Not getting a good one. Frick, EnderPearl. It's not.
Dude, you don't have time.
What the frick? No,
Dude.
I literally threw an EnderPearl and then it wouldn't let me teleport.
Yeah, Alexander, you know your EnderPearls have a cooldown. Can't use them in a certain amount of time. You know that, right?
Well, I had 12 and then suddenly I had 13, so I think it was lag.
Probably. Unless if it was.
All right. If you win this round, then that's it.
It was 2 out of 3 tonight.
Exactly.
I won 2 rounds.
No, I thought you said 3. Oh, I thought you meant 3 out of 5.
It would be 3 out of 4.
No, it'd be 3 out of 5.
Yeah, wait, sorry. Well,
Should we do
guys,
3 out of 5?
I won.
Well, should we do 3 out of 5?
Okay, guys, we're doing 3 out of 5. I'm gonna do mushroom stew.
Yeah, sure. Whatever. If you win one more, then
I win.
Yeah, you win it all. Last time I won a duel, and that was it.
1 duel. Okay, guys. I will. If I win this, that means I will be getting the play button first.
No, you won't.
I know. Hey, yo, Mister, what you doing? Did you even drink your swiftness pot?
Nope, because I didn't have it in my inventory for our way I do.
Oh my god. Why can't I get any hits? Oh, I like how this doesn't even have any fire on.
Yeah, no, it's because that way you can just like...
I'm getting the combos.
The combos, come on. No, don't you heal.
I didn't.
No, you did. The combos, no, you healed all. I always have you, and then I don't take advantage of it. It's the thing. I was hitting with your swiftness pot.
See, it's a lot easier to heal now. Thanks for this stew pot.
Freaking. Why you no sprinting?
Because you don't have swift pot on. Die!
No!
Die! Oh, you should have thought about this! No! You healed!
Oh. No.
I was like, you just so messed yourself up.
Why do I always do this? I let you get away. Where'd you go?
Nowhere.
Darn it, I have cooldown. Come on. Oh, come on. Why can't I... Makes no sense, right? I know where you are.
If you know where I am, why didn't you find me? a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake.
No, no,
I made a mistake.
no,
I made a mistake.
no, no.
I think you made a mistake this time.
It said your thing is had 2 hearts. What the
I
frick?
ate mushroom stew.
Oh.
It was
Hmm.
lacking. I don't know.
Okay. Anyways,
Videos? Are
guys,
they
hope you
done
guys
uploading? Ooh, my videos.
Okay, anyways, guys.
Yep. Well,
Please.
I just won. Woohoo!
Hope you guys enjoyed me losing every single time. And I'll see you
Okay,
guys
nerd.
in the next one.
You're being a baby.